Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Pension Capital Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professional resume, what are the things you need to do in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I have tried to provide you the knowledge that what is called Chat GPT, how you can use Chat GPT, what are the features of Chat GPT, and why people are using Chat GPT, what is the benefit of it. So right now I'm going to talk about how can you access Chat GPT. So to access Chat GPT, create an OpenAI account, go to the chat.openai.com and then select sign up and enter the email address or use at Google or Microsoft account to log in. So after signing up, try a prompt for question in the message box on the ChatGPT homepage. Users can then do the following things, that is enter a different prompt for a new query or ask for clarification. Regenerate the response, share the response, like or dislike the responses with the thumbs up or thumbs down option, copy the response. So what to do if ChatGPT is at capacity? Even though ChatGPT can handle numerous users at a time, it reaches maximum capacity occasionally when there is it is overloaded. This usually happens during peak hours, such as early in the morning or in the evening, depending on the time zone. So it is at capacity. Try using it at different times or hit refresh on the browser. Another option is to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, which is subscription but typically always available even during high demand periods also. So is ChatGPT free? ChatGPT is available for free through OpenAI website. Users need to register for a free OpenAI account. There is also an option to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for access to GPT-4. Faster responses, no blackout windows, and unlimited availability. ChatGPT Plus also gives priority access to new features for a subscription rate for ₹20 per month. Without a subscription, there are limitations. The most notable limitation of the free version is access to ChatGPT when the program is at capacity. The Plus membership gives unlimited access to avoid capacity blackouts. So what are the alternatives of ChatGPT? This is a very important thing, and right now I'm going to discuss with you. Because of ChatGPT popularity, it is often unavailable due to the capacity issues. Google announced Bard in response to ChatGPT. Google Bard will draw information directly from the internet through a Google search to provide the latest information. Microsoft added ChatGPT functionality to Bing, giving the internet search engine a chat mode for users. The ChatGPT functionality in Bing isn't as limited because its training is up to date and doesn't end with 2021 data and events. So there are text generated alternatives to ChatGPT, including the following: that is AI Writer, Article Forge, ChatSonic, Copysmith, that is DeepL Write, Google Bard, Jasper, Magic Write, Open Assistant, that is Paper Type, and Perplexity AI, Spellbook, Writer, Your Chat. Coding alternatives for ChatGPT include the following: that is Alpha Code, Amazon Code Whisperer, Code Starter, Code WP, Cody, Enzyme, Ghostwriter, GitHub Copilot, and Mutable.ai, OpenAI Codex, 6, and Tab9. So guys, these are the alternatives of ChatGPT. So guys, this is for now. If you wanted to know more about ChatGPT, you can go through all those sessions. I have provided the possible knowledge over there. And these are the prior knowledge to know the basic thing about ChatGPT. And in PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java, we are providing the training in Salesforce, in data science, in Python, and in AI machine learning as well. So if you're a candidate who wanted to start your career to PCS Global, kindly communicate with us. We are going to help you to prove yourself. We are going to build your career. We are going to give you the opportunity to start. There are lots of people who wanted to start their career, but they don't know from where to start. If you wanted to know about the process of the EILP, that is Employee Initiation Learning Program, how you can join this process, how you can start your career, what is the workflow in this process, how our process is going on and people are joining this process. This is the mission and vision of PCS Global, and we are working for it. And if you have that courage, or if you have that interest in IT, or you wanted to be a coder or a programmer, this is the high time to start. Whoever passed out in 2023, this is for you guys also, because this is the high time without wasting time. If you wanted to make your career, there is no other option than start right now. Join PCS Global, and most importantly, what we do from the core of our heart, because PCS Global is that place where more than 1,500 plus people have started their career, and right now the number are increasing, and it's increasingly high. That is more than 4,000 plus people have already started their career through us. So join and get the best from our side. And if you wanted to know more about PCS Global, kindly go through our EILP session videos are over there. Our candidates have provided their interviews. You can go through those interviews also, and you will get to know about the process, how we are providing the classes. And our CILP process is also going on. You can join in that process also. Guys, don't waste time. The only one and only request from my side, that is, don't waste time. Communicate, get the best. And if you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do comment below. So this is for now. Bye for now.